Here we go, Mustang fans. These are getting harder and harder to come by, no doubt about that. It's a 2001 Ford Mustang Bullitt Coupe, number 729 production number of the 01 Bullitt Mustangs. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 15,842 is all. That's right, 18,842. All right, underneath the hood, that 4.6 liter single overhead cam V8 is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, chin spoiler. Very nice condition, not full of chips, nicks, dings, anything like that. You might find a very, very small, say, little touch-up like this. If you can see that speck, might be a couple of those on there, but this dark Highland green metallic paint, beautiful shape, dark charcoal leather interior. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside. Take a look at that. It's like brand new. Interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct 5-spoke wheel, radial tires. Let's take a look up and down this passenger side. You can see the reflection in the paint. This car shows well. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you take a little closer look at that interior. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. It does have the brushed gas door, also the rolled exhaust tips, the spoiler delete, as you can see back here, setting those Bullitts apart from a stock GT. And again, no major nicks, dings, scratches up and down the passenger side, same as the deck lid and the rear bumper. Now, some of the things that are going to come along with this, it does come with a car cover, Bullitt floor mats, Bullitt license plate bracket stating the 729 production number. These are very clean, nice rock guards for the rear wheels for both sides, driver and passenger. This is the stock shifter and knob and bezel and everything that'll go along with it. It has a Steeda, a short throw shifter in it, a triax. Very nice setup. There's also the folder we're going to send along with it that will have a lot of the original stickers, things that would have came on this car brand new, some license plate from the original selling dealer. There's a build sheet, just miscellaneous stuff that originally came with this car. So we're going to send that along with it. Keep it with it. And again, all the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, especially the specialty ones, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, again, free of any nicks, dings, scratches. Nothing major, no surprises on this one. Owner's manual in the glove box. Some of the other manuals, what have you, are in that folder that you've seen. So a lot of the original things are going to come along with this car. All right, of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It also has the Mach stereo system. It should be the 460. Get a good close-up of that. There it is, Mach 460 stereo system. You're going to be able to see the door tag in with the still pictures. Seating surfaces, great shape. These rubber floor mats have been added, front and rear. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. All right, let's check out the exact miles. Grab the key. Key fob is with the key. Key fob works. There's the exact miles. 15,00842. Top of the dash, looking good. AM FM stereo with 6 CD changer, in-dash changer, working fine. Cranking on a little Van Halen. Passenger seat looks good. Like I said earlier, no surprises on this one, folks. Door closes nicely. Nice sounding cars too. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. I'm gonna take a prop stock. That's how they would have came, so let me get it open. Let's check out that engine bay. Then stick around, Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Hood liner, clean, and engine bay. Wow. Like new. Again, 4.6 liter. Single overhead cam, V8. AC's blowing cold. This car is turnkey, it's ready to go. And yes, like I said, that prop rod would have been stock on the 01 Mustangs. Beautiful 2001 Ford Mustang Bullitt Coupe. 15,842 actual miles on it at the moment. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, clean Carfax. No accents indicated. A lot of the original items, whether it be stickers, manuals, what have you, that were on the car when it was delivered, are going with it. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 2001 Ford Mustang, the Bullitt. Ode to the Bullitt, 2001. Very nice. A low mile machine. Less than 16,000 miles showing on the odometer. A 5-speed manual for the most fun. Probably the perfect shifter then. All size, a little smaller than a pool ball. Let's get her in 5th. Nice low cruising RPM. Fuel gauge shows completely full. The temperature gauge a third of the way up from cold. The battery's charging over halfway. And the oil pressure is over halfway as well. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Beautiful condition car. Fun Offspring song playing on the radio. That is a good on the radio as well. 6 CD changer. I've not tested the CD, but FM is working. Black bucket seats. Power windows, power seat. Cruise control works on this Mustang. We got the hood scoop. That beautiful Bullitt green. We went on to 2nd gear for the traffic circle. Very good power steering, makes it easy to drive in the corners. Stays pretty flat in the corners. Rev it up as much as you want with the stick shift and all those gears. Have lots of fun in this 2001 Bullitt Mustang. Check out the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.